Welcome to SCH Site Services, where our name and reputation is built upon our superior quality and service. Our headquarters and production facility is based in Newton Aycliffe Business Park in County Durham. We have many ISO accreditations including 9001 and 3834. Our factory production control certificate allows us to complete projects to execution class 3. We have our very own paint line where we spray various primers to our steelwork to protect it from the elements. Each delivery is loaded specifically to ensure that offloading at its destination is both safe and efficient, ready for installation.